Hello students, welcome to my zoology class. This is Akmal Hussain, lecturer biology, Square High School and College. Now I am going to take a zoology class of standard 12, chapter 11, whose name is genetics and evolution. Follow the picture. Like mother, like daughter, like father, like son. That means we are going to discuss about inheritance of organism. Today's topic is genetics. What will we learn from this class? We will be able to know about Mendelian inheritance and some important terms in genetics. Genetics. What is genetics? The branch of biology where discussion complete on about the structure of genes, role of genes in expressing characteristics, interaction between different genes, etc., and is known as genetics. We may say genetics is a branch of biology concerned with the study of gene, genetic variation, and heredity in organism. Mendelian inheritance. Name Georg Johann Mendel. Country Austria. Lifetime 1822 to 1884. Occupation monk, teacher, geneticist and plant biologist, known as father of genetics. He studied with pea plants from the monastery garden for 7 years during his free times. He prepared a research paper on his works and presented it to the Natural History Society of Bonn. He died at 5th January 1884 after 35 years of Mendel's death. De Vries from Netherlands, Correns from Germany, Charmark from Austria rediscover Mendel's findings through different research experiments. Mendel's research is the basis of today's genetic researches and pioneer of the today's study on several sex-linked disorders. He is known as the father of genetics for providing such a basic ground of genetical studies. There is a picture of Mendel. Important terms in genetics. Actually, before starting the main discussion of genetics, we have to know some important topics. Now we are going to discuss about some important topics of genetics which will be used in main discussion. Number 1, gene or factor. A unit of heredity which is transformed from a part to offspring and is held to determine some characteristic of the offspring. For each and every characteristics, mainly two factor or gene is responsible. Think a white man. To be white, two factor or two gene is responsible. That's why he is white. Locus. A locus is a specific fixed position on chromosome where a particular gene is located. That means the location the position of gene chromosome where there is more possibility to find the gene or factor is called locus. Allele, one of two or more alternative forms of a gene that are found at the same place on a chromosome. Example, TT and capital T small t. Okay, I have told for each and every external characteristics, two gene or factor is responsible. Think capital T is one factor, capital T is another factor. That means TT is responsible for to be tall, that means long. T is allele. On the other hand, capital T, small t. Capital T is responsible for to be long and small t is responsible to be short. That means capital T is the allele of small t or small t is the allele of capital T. Number 4, homozygous. Having two identical alleles of a particular gene or genes is called homozygous. Homo means here same. Example, capital T, homozygous. Small t, homozygous. If it will be capital T, small t, it will not be homozygous. Heterozygous, having two different alleles of a particular gene or genes is called heterozygous. As per example, capital T, small t. Alternative characters stay here. Capital T, small t, they are heterozygous. If it will be small t, will be homozygous. Genotype, the genetic constitution of an individual organism, often contrasted with phenotype. Example, capital T. Genotype, the genetic condition or the condition of factor or the condition of gene which helps to express the external characteristics is called genotype. Think I am black and the responsible factor of our body which is present in my cell is called genotype. Phenotype, the set of observable characteristics of an individual resulting from the interaction of its genotype with the environment. Example, capital T for tall. Phenotype, actually phenotype is the external characteristics. Think a white man. White is external characteristics. For white, factors is present in their body. Here TT for tall. Think TT is the factor. That's why he is tall. Tall is the external characteristics. This external characteristics is phenotype. Dominant character, most important or powerful character that are expressed in offspring is called dominant. Important or powerful characters, think father tall, mother short. Offspring will be tall most of the time. Tall and short between tall and short. Tall is the dominant characteristics here. Recessive character, comparatively weak characteristics controlled by genes that are not expressed in offspring normally. Think father is a black, mother is white. The offspring will be a black most of the time, and the characteristics of body color of mother is recessive here. Black is dominant, that's why the offspring will be black. I am saying again, most of the time. So the characteristics which will not be expressed in the offspring body is called recessive character. Number 10, parental generation. The parental generation refers to the first set of parent crossed. Their probable set of offspring would constitute the first filial generation F1, then F1 to F2 generation. That means in a cross, the parental generation, that means father and mother, is called parental generation, then F1 generation, and from F1 generation to F2 generation. Number 11, monohybrid cross. When hybridization is conducted between a pair of opposite characteristics is known as monohybrid cross. Think father is long and mother is short. When in any cross we take the height in our consideration, then this will be monohybrid cross. Dihybrid cross. When hybridization is carried out with two pair of alternative characteristics is called dihybrid cross. Example, cross between a black short-haired guinea pig and a brown long-haired guinea pig. That means the cross between body color and the length of hair. Two characters are taken here. That's why such kind of cross is called dihybrid cross. Or take it easily, father long, mother short. Father is black, mother is white. That means two characters here, height and body color. Such kind of cross is called dihybrid cross. Test cross. A set cross is a way to explore the genotype of an organism. Early use of the test cross was an experimental mating test used to determine what alleles are present in the genotype. Backcross. Backcrossing is a crossing of a hybrid with one of its parents or an individual genetically similar to its parent in order to achieve offspring with a genetic identity which is closer to that of the parent. It is used in animal breeding. Most of the time such type of backcross taken in our dairy sector, dairy farm, to develop the indigenous breed to hybrid. Genome. The haploid set of chromosomes in a gamete or organism. The haploid set of chromosomes in a gamete or organism is called genome. Number 16, autosome. Autosome is a non-sex chromosome, that means a body chromosome of an organism. Humans have 22 set of autosomes. You know, in our body 23 set of chromosomes are there. Among 23 set or 23 pairs, 22 pair is autosome and only one pair is sex chromosome. Sex chromosome. A chromosome is involved with determining the sex of an organism, also called heterochromosome. Example, XX, XY, etc. Maintain social distance, adhere to hygiene rules. Thank you.